Hi everybody, welcome to week 5 Wednesday instructional video. So today we're going to work on subtracting greater numbers. Hold on, I'm trying to move it and it won't move. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at our problem. So what we're trying to find is how much larger is the area of the gates of the Arctic than the combined area of Denali and Kenai Fjords. So to do that, we have to find out how much is the total area of Denali and Kenai Fjords. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it doesn't matter because it's a math problem. Okay, so we're going to find the total area first. So we're going to add those two numbers together. We're going to get 21,893. So then I know I'm trying to find how much larger something is. So I'm trying to find the difference between those two numbers. So I know I'm going to have to subtract. So I went ahead and put this number over here on our little board. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines so I can make sure that my numbers stay in the right place. Go ahead and draw my lines really quick. It seems to be the quicker I draw the lines, the better the lines are. They're not so even, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract. So 7 take away 3. So I'm going to count up from 3 to 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 4. So 8 take away 9. I know I can't take 9 away from 8 because 8 is a smaller number. So I'm going to have to regroup. So my 8 is going to become an 18. That's supposed to be an 8. My 1 next door is, or 2 next door is going to become a 1. So now let's look. 8 take away 9 is 9. Okay, now I have 1 take away 8. I can't do that again. So now my 1 is going to become an 11, and my 4 is going to become a 3. So now I can go ahead and subtract. So 11 take away 8, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 3. 3 take away 1 is 2. And 3 take away 2 is 1. So my answer is 12,394. So to check that, I would add, and you can see this down here at the bottom, I would add, let me circle it. I would add 12,394 and then 21,893. I would add these two numbers together and I should get the number up here at the top, which you can see down here at the bottom. They've already done for us, and it does work. So remember, I would add these two numbers. I don't know why my pointer's not working. There we go. These two numbers, and I should get the number at the very top. All right, let's do another one. All right, so we have 2 more practice problems that we're going to do together. So the first one, you can see it's already all nice and lined up. I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines. All right, so now I can go ahead and start. So 4 take away 1, 4 take away 1 is 3. Let me use a different color for the numbers. 4 take away 1 is 3, so I'm going to go ahead and write my 3 down here. But then I have 8 take away 9 again. We just did this on the last problem. I know I can't take 9 away from 8 because 8 is a smaller number. So 8 is going to become 18. I think if I write slower, then the numbers come out better. There we go. Okay, and then the 4 next door becomes a 3. So now let's go ahead and do the math. 18 take away 9 is 9. Okay, then the next door, 3 take away 6. If I have 3, I cannot take 6 away from that. So I have to regroup again. So the 3 becomes a 13, and the 9 becomes a 8. So 13 take away 6. So I'm going to count it from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is 7. Then I'm going to go next door. 8 take away 6 is 2. 3 take away 2, or 3 take away 1 is 2. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So my answer is 22,793. So to check that, I don't have enough space, but I would add these two numbers together and I should get the number at the top. All right, let's look at the next one. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines. Oh, wait a minute. That's like in the middle of the thing. In the middle of the number. Okay, let's use a different color this time. How about purple? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start subtracting now. So I'm going to start, remember I always start at my ones, but I see the first number is 1 take away 7. So I know if I have 1, I can't take 7 away from that. So my 1 is going to become an 11, and my number next door is going to become a 0, because I borrowed from next door. So 11 take away 7. So I'm going to count up from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 take away 7 is 4. Then I look next door. 0 take away 2. Well, if I have 0, I can't take anything away from that. So my 0 is going to become a 10, and my number next door is going to become a 2. Now I can subtract. 10 take away 2 is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 8s. Okay, now I'm going to look at my next set of numbers. So 2 take away 4. If I have 2, I can't take 4 away from that. So I have to regroup again. So my 2 becomes a 12, and my 1 becomes a 0. So 12 take away 4. So I'm going to count up from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 8. So I'm going to write my 8. And then I'm going to look at the next set of numbers. So 0 take away 3. I can't do that because the number on the top is smaller. So my 0 is going to become a 10, and my 8 is going to become a 7. So then I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 10 take away 3. So I'm going to count up from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would be 7. And then 7 take away 0 is 7, and 2 take away 0 is 2. So my answer is 277,884. But look at all that regrouping. So I think the best way to do it is just start at the right and kind of work our way over like we just did. To check my answer, I would add 277,884 and 3,427. I would add those together, and I should get this number at the top. Okay, so it's time for independent practice. Yay! All right, so in your math book, let me move the camera. In your math book on page 59, you're going to do 7 through 14. So you're going to do these 7 problems. I'm going to check it when we have our Tuesday check-in next week. And so make sure that you do this. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to do the daily question in your math journal as well. So you're going to answer this. You don't have to write it all out. You just have to write Wednesday, put the date, and then answer the question. All right, see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.